Welcome to the show, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about keys today. Special keys. These are key rings of another kind. RV sets of master keys. Have you ever seen anything like this? You can get them from Freeman, namely Blue Dog Keys. Freeman owns that company, and they sell these beautiful master key sets for RVs. So let me just tell you a little bit about them, and then I'm going to show them to you. You got a bunch of keys, right? And there's probably, I don't know, at least 40, 45 keys, master keys. And here's what it says about the keys themselves. These beauties right here. Ever felt like your RV holds more secrets than you know? If you're an RV sales company or a locksmith that deals with RVs, this is your keys. I mean, look at the set. Whoa, massive. What if you could unlock its full potential with a single comprehensive key set? Yeah. We're diving deep into the exclusive RV Global Link pre-cut master set, featuring a G301-390 and revealing the power of the G391. Yeah. The CH751, the R0001, and the CK330. Stop guessing and start controlling your adventure. Oh, I'm loving this. Who wrote this? Couldn't be me, could it? Discover the key to true RV mastery. Find your set at bluedogkeys.com. That's where you're going to get these bad boys, bluedogkeys.com. Let's see what else it says. It's linked in the description. So I'm in the description, I'm gonna leave bluedogkeys.com and where you can get these, okay? Because it's kind of the only place you can buy them. You can get them from other suppliers, but really buy them direct. They'll explain them to you. They're real easy to talk to, by the way. So it says this: Global Link pre-cut master set includes the G301-390 pre-cuts, compartment keys, G391, CH751, the R001, the CK330. So those are on the side of the RV where you get into the compartments. The Global Link Control Master Key. Note that if you order this set, it already includes everything in the DGLMK master set. That's good to know. I mean, who would ever know that, right? So it says RV master keys and change key policy. They only sell basically to locksmiths or RV sales. But if you're in an area that you don't have to be a licensed locksmith, they'll sell to you as well, I think. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. So let's take a close look at these bad boys from Freeman, bluedogkeys.com. Yeah. Now here's the keys. Aren't they beautiful? High quality, all pre-cut. You won't have to think. And if you're a big RV sales or a locksmith that deals with RVs, you know the trouble it is. I mean, you wouldn't have all these keys unless there was a lot of different locks, right, that they fit into. So here's the keys. There's the part number, CH751. This is from Blue Dog. And the other one, I don't have a part number on it, but they come as a double set like this. You can buy them like that. So there you have it. Hopefully this has been a little helpful to you from Blue Dog. These are RV keys, and I'll leave the description where you can get them. And that's about the size of it today. Thanks again. This is Mike with door and lock tips. Yeah.
Don't leave just yet. There's more to come. Yeah.
Great keys. So here's the keys laying on my desk. How about that? Now you can also get generic code, and these keys can be cut from this company, generic code, straight from FraminManufacturing.com. Generic code, you can find these keys, you can cut your own blanks. These come already pre-cut. That's the way to do it, really. If you find the key you need, you can just get them to send you more of the same key. So there you have it. Great set from BlueDogKeys.com. Thanks again, guys.